chocolate with grass jelly. So we should prepare the tools and also the material. The tools we need spoon, glass, and also we need the scissors. And for the material we need the ice rock, or we can say ice cube. In bahasa Indonesia, es batu, and we need the milk, susu. And this is for the chocolate. We can choose from pop ice, or we can choose from Bang Bang Green, and we need the grass jelly, or we can say in bahasa Cincau, we need the sugar. So this is the step how to make ice chocolate with grass jelly. Don't forget to prepare the material and the tools. For the first here, we can open the Bang Bang Green first, something like this one with the scissors. So you can pour the Bang Bang Green into the glass, something like this one. Okay, very nice. And don't forget to pour the board into the glass. Okay, don't forget about the board, everyone. Something like this one. Okay, that's just a little water. And don't forget to mix well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, something like this one. And I think the taste will be very nice. After we mix well, don't forget to pour the milk. I think it's better to pour the milk before the board. Don't forget to pour the milk, something like this one. Oh, it will be very nice. Okay, pour the milk. Okay, I think enough. And don't forget to put the grass jelly. Don't forget to put the grass jelly, something like this one. 3 spoons of grass jelly. If you like sweet, you can pour the sugar. Yeah, don't forget to put the sugar. If you like sweet, you can put the sugar into the glass, something like this one. Not very nice, because my student didn't like the sugar, don't like the sugar very much, so I only put this little sugar into the glass. And don't forget to put the ice rock. I think we only need some of them for the ice rock. This is one. Don't forget to put the ice rock. And this is the last touch. Okay, something like this. Wow, it's very nice. Ice chocolate with the grass jelly, I think is ready to be served. If you like the video, you can give your like. If you dislike it, just dislike. Okay. See you on the next video.